Dear doctors and students, welcome to our channel. I am Dr. Mansoor Ali, Professor, Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut, Kerala of South India. Today we will discuss about how to establish a homeopathy practice in United Kingdom. The legal status, rules and regulations, the procedure, insurance coverage, and the facility for the higher education, etc. in detail. The scope of homeopathic practice and higher education in UK. And I am sure this video will definitely help the new generation doctors and practitioners. Some facts about homeopathy in United Kingdom, including the ground reality. Homeopathy is not regularized in UK by official government body as in India. Not regularized. In India, we have a separate Ayush Ministry and Central Council of Homeopathy and Central Council for Research in Homeopathy. They are regulating the homeopathy. In UK, anyone can study homeopathy at any age with any profession by joining the part-time or online courses. No full-time colleges are available in United Kingdom. So as in India, the homeopathy is not regularized in United Kingdom. Colleges, no government recognized colleges or courses. Whatever courses run by the institute, they are recognized by the institute itself. Institute-based courses where students can learn anatomy, physiology, pathology, practice of medicine, surgery, gynecology and obstetrics, ophthalmology, ENT, etc. And the class time. After attending weekend courses for 2 to 3 years, if student can complete 30 to 60 hours, that's 1 week, 8 hours into 7 into 80 days, 8 days in someone's clinic for clinical observation. So after attending the weekend courses, they have to attend in some clinics for the clinical observation. They get the certificate as qualified homeopaths and there is no internship. And doctor's prefix, we cannot use the prefix as doctor in UK unless registered with the GMC, General Medical Council. Otherwise, we cannot use the prefix doctor. In UK, homeopaths cannot treat notifiable disease. And the organizations. Many reputed organizations are there. All organizations like the Homeopathic Medical Association, HMA, Society of Homeopaths, SOH, the Alliance of Registered Homeopaths, ARH, New HMA, Hanuman College of Homeopathy, etc. offer membership and insurance. They are offering membership and insurance. They organize seminars, meetings, conferences to socialize or educate members and to help their members in case if something adverse happen with the patient. So they are giving membership and also supporting the insurance coverage. Now what about the insurance? Registration to get insurance covers and all, it's a very difficult. If you have registration in Society of Homeopaths, more than 10 companies provide insurance coverage for homeopathy treatment. More than 10 insurance companies provide insurance if you are a registered member of the Society of Homeopaths of UK. And if you are doing without insurance, the risk is in our hand. So you will get the list of insurance companies providing the insurance in this URL, homeopathysoh.org. So that about the insurance coverage. Now the procedure. This is mainly useful for the Indian homeopaths and other foreign nationals. If you would like to establish a clinical practice in United Kingdom, a homeopathic practice. First one must have a valid visa status like work permit. Citizenship with naturalization certification from the UK government. After having the above stated status, one can apply for membership to any homeopathic medical association by providing your transcripts, mark sheets, degree certificates, registration certificate, etc. Then you can practice in United Kingdom. So this is the two steps. A valid visa status like work permit, citizenship. Then you have to apply for a membership in any of the homeopathic medical associations by providing your certificates. Then you can practice in United Kingdom. Faculty of Homeopathy was founded in 1844. In 1950, it was incorporated by Act of UK Parliament. They only register MBBS or MD homeopathy. They register the modern medicine doctors with an additional qualification in homeopathy, considered as a medical doctor in many of the European countries, or MD in homeopathy. But their route of getting registration is very lengthy and expensive. DHMS or BHMS holders can join as an affiliate members. They just give the affiliate membership but not entitled to use the title. So they are considering only the medical doctors or postgraduate homeopaths. And on the top of that, UK is a very expensive country for survival in terms of exchange rate from rupees to pounds. It's an expensive country, so it's not easy to survive there. And UK NARIC, the National Recognition Information Centre for the United Kingdom, is the UK's agency for recognizing international qualifications and skill. You can register your BHMS or MD in homeopathy in UK NARIC and have some additional job in addition to your homeopathic practice. Then it is comparatively easy to survive. For this NARIC, that is compulsory. Equivalency certificate or National Recognition Information Centre of the United Kingdom, that is a NARIC. Think positively despite the limitations and hurdle. India's leading international brand Dr. Batras established many clinics in London city itself. They have a clinic in Harrow, Southall, Wembley and Harley Street. So always think positively. Google it. You can see few homeopathic clinics with their advertisement inviting homeopathic doctors by searching in the Google. You can Google it for a job related to the homeopathy. Like this advertisement you can see, we are hiring the London College of Homeopathy, United Kingdom. They want doctors for their UK clinic. We will support you. The Homeobooks team editorial board member in UK will be definitely help you. Dr. Nikunjit Trivedi, his email ID, that is articlinic@yahoo.com and his mobile number 0796313438. The Homeobook team will definitely support you. Some other useful resources must visit this website naric.org.uk. Then the Faculty of Homeopathy website, Society of Homeopathy website, the Alliance Registered Homeopaths, Homeopathic Medical Association, Hanuman College of Homeopathy, the School of Homeopathy, homeopathyschool.com. These are some useful resources to know more about the homeopathic practice in United Kingdom. So please visit our website homeobook.com, our Facebook page, that is Homeopathy Homeobook, and our WhatsApp number +91 9249 337799. Our email ID is similima@yahoo.com. And please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, youtube.com/drmansoorali. If you would like to practice in the United States of America, Australia, Canada, or in any other European countries, or the countries in the Middle East like Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Bahrain, etc., you will get the entire details, the procedures, the previous question papers, the rules and regulations in our YouTube channel, youtube.com/drmansoorali. Now, dear doctors, I think you got a ground reality about the homeopathy in United Kingdom, the rules and regulations, the legal status, the limitations, the higher educations, and the various organizations that support the homeopaths there. So that's all for the time being. Thank you. Take care.